Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best digital toaster oven you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many digital toaster oven and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each digital toaster oven so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a digital toaster oven. First, check the size and capacity to ensure it fits your counter space and cooking needs. A compact oven suits small kitchens, while larger ones handle family-sized meals. Next, look at the power and temperature range for even cooking and faster heating. Adjustable settings give you more control for different recipes. Also, review the cooking functions like bake, toast, broil, and air fry if available. The display and controls should be clear and easy to use. Don't forget about energy efficiency and ease of cleaning, since removable trays and non-stick interiors save time. Lastly, consider brand reputation, warranty, and user reviews to ensure reliability and long-term performance. Choosing wisely helps you get the most value for your money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.